Home Depot this morning to pick up my new 18-volt Ridgid Sawzall. Boy, is it a foggy morning. Anyway, this is not a paid promotion, but I wanted to let you know, if you don't have the Home Depot app, you should get it. I was able to get a 18-volt Sawzall, a 4 amp hour battery, and a charger for $89 plus tax. Yeah, you can't beat that. All right, let's get it. All right, we got it. Let's take it home and unbox it. Be excited. You can see I'm already a fan of Ridgid. Got the Ridgid Impact, got the Ridgid Circle Saw, and on here I already have a 6-hour battery. So I'm curious to see if this newer, mine's a few years old, this most newer one, the charger will work. Pretty sure it will. We'll see. Oh yeah, look at that. There's the owner's manual. Oh, look at that, it even comes with a blade. Yes, I have sawdust by my table saw. Because yes, I just got through ripping some boards. I know I need to clean up. Alright, so there's the tool. And let's take a look at this battery. Alright, there's our new charging base. Got the mounting screws on the back, put it on the wall. And here's our battery. 4 amp hour battery as advertised. There we go. Now I am curious to see if my older 6 amp hour battery will charge in this unit. Hot dog. Look at that. Alright, let's plug it in and test it. And we are charging. Look at that. So, we're just going to put this new one in and let's just see how much juice this 4-hour battery comes with right out of the box. Oh, it definitely needs to be charged up. But look at that. So here's the tool. Here's the battery you get. And here's the charger. Let's put a blade in this thing and give it a shot. One of the other things I wanted to note is that this one's not an octane, but my octane battery works in this tool. Take a look at this. Oh yeah. Let's go ahead and try to cut something with it. Yeah, baby. It also has a safety mechanism here on top, so there's unlocked and there's locked. So we're going to leave this battery to charge. I'd say all in all, for $89 minus that battery right there, that's a pretty good deal. So get the Home Depot app and watch out for the deals. You never know what you might come across. Y'all have a blessed day.